Hello, I am FTN John, and today I'm going to show you how to change an FLV file to an usable MP4 file for video editing purposes or just plain storage. First off, you need your FLV file. This could be obtained through OBS, XSplit, even YouTube, and some other sources. You can download an FLV file. I'm going to show you the easiest way to mass translate your FLV files to MP4 format. First off, I need you to open up your web browser. Once you're in there, you're going to want to go to this website for FFmpeg is what you need to download. I'll show it up here, and I'll add a link in the description and annotation. And then you're going to want to download either the 32-bit or the 64-bit, depending on your operating system. If you're unsure, just go ahead and get the 32-bit. Same exact thing, just a little bit slower. I have 64, so I'm going to download that. And you will notice it is in a 7-zip format file. In case you do not happen to have 7-zip or some other more modern zip file program, I'm going to show you how to get one of those. Coincidentally, on this website here, you have 7-zip. And go ahead, once again, 32, 64-bit. I'm going to get the 64-bit. And download. That was quick. Go ahead and minimize your web page. And then go ahead and install 7-zip. It'll only take a few minutes. It's a very small file, but very efficient for compressing and uncompressing files of any sort. Then once you're done with that, you'll be able to double click and open your FFmpeg file. You're going to want to extract on the desktop, wherever's easiest for you. And from there, you're going to want to take this folder, right click it, and cut. Go down to your Start, Computer, and paste it into your C drive. This is very important because this will make this a little bit easier for us in the forerun. Plus, you need to make sure this folder does not move after you do this if you want to continue using the conversion technique here. Go ahead and open up the FFmpeg folder and double click the bin folder in there. You're going to highlight your address bar, right click, copy. And this part is going to be a little bit complicated, but take your time, make sure you do it correctly. Go to Start, see Computer, you right click it and go to Properties. Then you're going to go to Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, you're going to go to Environment Variables. Under System Variables, the second part, you're going to want to scroll down till you see Path. You just single click that and go to Edit. And make sure you click the very end. If you're unsure after you unhighlight it, just hit the right key on your keyboard. Make sure you're all the way on the end. And you're going to want to paste that address that you just got for your FFmpeg folder. Once you do that, make sure you end it with a semicolon. And you hit OK. OK and OK. And close this window. Alrighty, that's the hard part. Next, you're going to want to go to your web browser. And I'm going to supply this link again in the description. And I'm going to make an annotation. And this is going to lead you to the gentleman that has so gratefully supplied the BAT code that will help us translate the FLV. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see this interesting looking window all this wonderful code stuff in it. You're going to want to hit select all, right click the highlighted part, and hit copy. Minimize your web page again, and then in the folder with your FLV files, right click, go to new text document. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it FLV convert. And then you're going to want to open it and paste those recent contents that you just got from the web page there. All this is from Way ZHC. PM him, thank him, whatever you want to do. He's the one who made this simple. And from here, two things you're going to want to change. Both of the move commands, like you have the move %1, put 2 colons in front of it. And same thing with this one down here. And you're going to want to go to File once you do that, and Save As. Change it from text documents to all files, and change the txt to .bat, and hit save. And go ahead and close that. You can delete the txt file. And the best part, just click and drag on, drop onto your bat file, and you should see some similar to this. It'll take it about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how long your FLV file is, how fast your computer is. And complete. And there's your MP4 file.